Carissa from Unigo, and today I'm gonna order some K-beauty products from Shopee. So we are gonna order from Unigo. Unigo brings in K-beauty products from Korea that you can't find easily in Singapore. So what you do is you open up your Shopee and then you search Unigo. You will find the Unigo shop and we click in. So I'm gonna order like a whole skincare routine for myself today. And the first thing we need is a cleanser. This one looks interesting. The Cosmosite Pore Bubble Cleansing Pack. And it looks very bubbly, very soft. So I'm just gonna add this to my cart. And then the next thing is toner. Yeah, let's find a toner. Okay, so I found this Cica toner pad, and if you guys don't know, Cica is a really good ingredient for like soothing your skin and calming like any breakouts or sensitive skin. So I'm gonna get this one as well. Yeah, the reviews looks good. The person says the skin feels very smooth and whitened after using it, so I'm gonna get this one. Maybe we'll get another Cica product. So let's search Cica in Unigo. And there's this Patchholic Cica Ampule. Yeah, let's look at it. Oh, it seems like they have various ampules for different skin concerns, so that's nice. Okay, let's add this to the cart. Oh, this one looks interesting. It seems to be for the nose. It's a nose ampule. I think it's probably for pores or something. And then it says that it can gently remove dead skin cells and impurities, and also helps to tighten your pores and control sebum. So I think that's really suitable for my skin type, so I'm gonna get that as well. I'm also going to get a mask pack because I love putting on a mask pack after like relaxing after a long day with a mask pack. So let's look for one. The Patchholic one looks cute. There's many different kinds, very colorful. And then let's get maybe the Soothing Mask Pack. I think it would feel really nice after a long day. The visuals are really pretty, so let's add that. And I think I'm ready to check out. So I'll select everything that I picked earlier and then let's check out. Right now there's free shipping, so that's nice. Then you just click place order. And that's it. So I have my haul from Unigo on Shopee here, and then let's look forward to the parcel when it arrives. I'll let you know again. Hi everyone! It's been a week since I ordered my K-beauty products from Unigo on Shopee, and they arrived yesterday. So today I'm gonna unbox them together with you guys, and I'm so excited to see what's inside. Here's what it looks like inside. The box from Unigo is so pretty. I love the mint color. Okay, let's unbox it. So this is the first thing you see. It's a message from Unigo shop, and it says that you can follow Unigo shop on Instagram for the latest updates on K-beauty and Korean cosmetics. So I think this is the cleanser. So this is the cleanser from Cosmosite, the Pore Bubble Cleansing Pack. So I'll use this as a cleanser. This is what it looks like inside. So cute, so pretty. Pretty mint color that matches Unigo. And the next product is this Petcholic Cica Toner Pad. Look at the packaging, so cute. This is what it looks like inside. So what you do is you take one pad and you use it every time after you wash your face. And I think these are the 2 ampoules. Cosmopolitan one is so cute. It has this little boy on it. Let's open this first. This is what it looks like inside. Let's try it. It smells citrusy, and I think it has like orange, lemon and lime extract, so I think that's why. And then this is supposed to be an ampoule for the pores on your nose. It will help to shrink and reduce the size of the pores. So this one is another Cica ampoule from Petcholic, and this one you can use all over your face. It's a soothing ampoule and it will help to calm any skin breakouts or any skin irritation. So let's open it. So this is what it looks like inside. Very pretty. And let's try it also. This one smells really refreshing. It's not a strong scent or anything, like it smells like baby products. And this one is the sheet mask from Petcholic. So this is the soothing sheet mask from Petcholic, and it has Centella asiatica in it, which is what is commonly known as Cica. Let's open it. There's 10 sheets inside. And this is what each sheet looks like. I love that you can see inside, and the design is so cute. Can't wait to use this. So I also see some samples inside provided for me. And it looks really cute. I think it's also from Petcholic. This is the soothing patches. There you go, you can see. And there's 4 different kinds of designs. They're so cute. So what you do is you take these fruit patches and you stick it on dry or irritated areas of your skin, and it gives a cool and soothing effect. So let's talk about shipping. I think the products all arrived in great condition, and they were all individually wrapped with bubble wrap, so none of them got damaged. And I ordered this on 11/11, so it took only about 6 days to arrive all the way from Korea, which I think is really quick. So I'm gonna incorporate each of these products into my skincare routine, and I will try them for 1 to 2 weeks and let you guys know how it goes. So that's all for my Shopee haul unboxing video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!